Hi everyone, Dennis Foley from Acoustic Fields. Today we're going to continue on with our Don't Do This series. We're going to do probably 10 of these over time. This will be number 2, and these are nice because these are actual photos that customers have sent in with their room forms, and we get to actually see a layout. And what I'm going to go through with you here is the first things I tell them when I see the photos that they send me. So you'll get an actual chance to kind of walk through what we go through. So in this photo, first thing we want to look up is the setup. So, and I see this a lot with rooms and rigs. And what it looks like from just looking at the setup was that the client saw a little area in the room and he thought, wow, that would be a great place to put my rig. Unfortunately, it's like the worst place to put the rig, okay? So we have to remember our first rule in acoustics is do no harm. So we have to be real careful about setting up our speakers inside the room because we know that's what produces the distortion. So setup has to be done in a way that doesn't cause any more problems, right? Do no harm. When you set your rig up in an area like this guy has, we take on the characteristics of this room. And this room is in a much bigger room. So this room where the rig is set up is kind of a room within a room, but not in the good way like we think about it, a treatment room. So what he's done here is he's produced what I call distance distortion. So we're going to get distortion at the distances the wavelengths get trapped in. So let's just say this is 11 feet. So he's going to have problems at 100 hertz and lower. Let's say this is 4 feet. Okay, so divide, and you're going to get the frequency here. So what's that? 280. So you're going to have another problem, 280 hertz roughly. And then we don't want to be producing problems. We want to be eliminating frequency problems. You know, this example uses full wavelength. So, and then second, thirdly, fourthly, I've lost count, is too much glass. So we can't have this kind of glass. The room's full of glass. It's got hard floors, no treatment. So these are things that you don't want to do. You have to let the room tell you where to set up the rig. It's really not up to you. I know you all want to put your rigs in places that won't bother this, that, or the other, but you gotta think like the music is going to sound, and you got to set your rig up correctly within the room to minimize distortion and do no harm. Hope this helps. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video, and if you liked it, please give us a thumbs up. We also have a newsletter that you can subscribe to, so please do that because we offer special price discounts to only those on our newsletter. And then don't forget about our forum. We have started a forum on our own website where people ask questions, and I usually get a chance every couple of days to look at it. There's an interchange between people on the forum, and we'll give you real answers on a regular basis, so that'll help you. Thank you.